solve by adding, we're going to look at our inequality as if it were an equal sign. And we're going to look at this as an equal sign, and we're looking at what's going on with the variable. The variable has a subtraction, so we're going to do the opposite and we're going to add. So we add both sides of our equal sign, we get x, that's 0. The inequality stays the same as if it's equal, and then we add, which is 20. So our answer then is x greater than or equal to 20. If we want to subtract, the reason why we're subtracting is because what's being done to the letter is being added. So m plus 19 greater than 56, I'm going to subtract the 19. It cancels this, gives me my variable, and when I subtract, I get my answer, or carry that, 737, so it's a positive 37. So to get to the answer, we want to isolate the variable, and we isolate the variable by doing the opposite. That's where subtraction and addition come in. Just like when we were solving an equation, we want the variables on one side, and it's on both. There's a variable on both sides of the equal sign. So I'm going to move my variable I'm going to move it this time to the right. So if I move that to the right, remember what I've said before, we move it to the right, I change a sign. So 4a minus 3a. And when I do that math, I get 1a. Now, the problem with this type of inequality is that it's going the wrong direction, but we can flip-flop the inequality as long as the alligator still eats the bigger number and write it like this. And the reason we want to do that is if we're going to graph it on a number line, we want to have the letter on the left because we can go to the 6. Because it is a inequality that has a line underneath it, we're going to put a dot, a filled-in dot, because it includes the 6. And all numbers that are bigger than 6. Well, 7 is bigger than 6, so I'm going to draw or color in my arrow that goes towards the bigger numbers. Now, the problem with using this form is that you see the inequality looks like it goes left, and our natural instinct is to draw it going to the left. Well, that would be wrong, because if you look at our answer, it's actually to the right.